Hello, Showtimers! Today we are unboxing a car 5-alarm and the monster truck 5-alarm. Yay! Here's the car. It has 6 wheels. Here's the monster truck. That's yellow too. It has black leather. This has 4 wheels. This one has 6, so 2 more wheels. But they're smaller. I have 1 5-alarm, 2 5-alarm, 3 5-alarms, 4 5-alarms. I like all of these 5 alarms. Da, 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 da. Say bye-bye to these 5 alarms. Bye-bye, 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 bye-bye. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Here's the car on the monster truck. And the monster truck is gonna crush the fire truck. Ah! Now he's gonna go over it. 3, 2, 1, go. Now it's smushed like this. And then like this. And then it changed to a Stegosaurus. What's this? It's not a fire truck. And the final, it went like rubber. Why is it rubber? Oh. This is silly. How does it change like this? This is magic. And then next, and then what in the world? Next, he tries to jump over him, and then 2, and then 1, 2. Okay. Bye. I'm finished. Bye bye.